All right, everybody, good evening. We're going to be going over simple interest. I'll be doing the odd, so let's get started. Much like when we did regular interest, all we're going to do is move our decimal over 2 spots. So this 3.75 becomes 0.0375. The 500 stays the same. We're multiplying it. So this is going to be times this. We're also going to multiply all this to 4 months. When we do months, it's not like years. We don't just put a number here. We realize that months is a part of a year. And there are 4 months out of 12 in a year that these people are talking about. All right? So 4 goes into 12 3 times. That means equals 1/3. If you can't see that, just remember we're dividing both 4 and 12 by 4. And that gives us 4 divided by 4 is 1. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So we'll have 1/3 over here. And now we're ready to go ahead and do some math. First thing I want to do is get rid of this nasty fraction. I could also say that I could go 1 divided by 3 and multiply everything if I wanted to. Or I could also realize that this is all 500 times 0.0375 times 1 divided by 3. All right, so I can do it either way. Let's pop it in the calculator and find out what answer I get. Right over here, we see that we've got 500. I'm going to multiply it to 0.0375. And then we're multiplying that by 1, which is the same answer, and then we're dividing it all by 3. So my answer is 6.25. All right? 6.25. Remember, it's saying find the simple interest earned, the interest earned to the nearest cent. So they're saying if I had $500 at this rate for this many months, I will have only earned $6.25. Okay? All right, it's time to go on to number 17. Remember, over here when you're doing the years, you don't have to make it a fraction. 2 years is just going to be multiplying these numbers by 2. 3 years will be multiplying them by 3. But over here, once again, we've got months. So we've got our 3,000, our initial 3,000 we're investing. We're going to be multiplying that to, well, our percentage once we move our decimal back, which will be 0.055. And we're going to be multiplying that to 9 months. 9 months is 9 over 12. Remember, there's 12 months in a year. Well, what is can be divided in both of these? And that's 3. So this is going to equal 3 over 4. So over here, we'll put times 3 over 4. Now, when I have a fraction like this, my best bet is to divide the fraction first, get the number, and then multiply it to everything else. If not, I'll have to multiply all these times 3 and then divide by 4. But I like dealing with my fraction first. So this is going to be 3 divided by 4 times 0.055 times 3,000. That's $123.75. All right. And I'm just going to go ahead and Take that comma out of there because it really should have been a dot. And give it a dollar sign because we are talking about money. So in 9 months, I would have gained $123.75. Time to go on to number 19. Find the simple interest paid to the nearest cent for each loan amount, interest rate, and time. They're saying find the simple interest rate paid to the nearest cent. All right. Let's work number 1 first. If we set it up, we've got 725. We're going to be multiplying that to, well, that'll be 0.0625. And then we're going to multiply all that to 1 because it's 1 year. Well, when we get our calculator and we multiply this out, we've got 725. And multiply that to 0.0625. And that's going to equal 4531. I don't need to multiply that to 1 because anything times 1 is itself. So the answer is going to be $45. Whoa, what happened here? $45, and I believe it was like 31 cents. Yeah, 0.31 cents. All right, let's go ahead and try to get number 21 now. 21 says I got $175.80. I'm going to multiply that by 12%. So when I move my decimal back twice, I'm multiplying it by 0.12. And then we're multiplying by 8 months, and 8 over 12. Well, both of those numbers are divisible by 4. Well, 8 divided by 4 is 2. And 12 divided by 4 is 3. So that means it's 2/3. All right, so let's see what we got here. We're going to have to multiply all these numbers together, and that'll give us our answer. So when we go ahead and take 175.80, we multiply that to 0.12, and then we're going to multiply that to 2, and then divide it all by 3. That's going to give me 1406. $14.06. All right, that's all of them for tonight that I'm doing. The rest of them are on you. Good luck, and I'll see you in class.